about office hours. We don't need to be only in the office when doing work. In many cases, we are thinking about the things in research, innovations, ideas, possible collaborations when doing gardening, walking in the forest, or barbecuing like I'm doing now. I'm preparing a simple barbecue for lunch. And then of course I'm doing some thinking about the things I had in the morning, talking about new initiatives related to sharing data to make more research to business by sharing data and using blockchain and other digital ways to control and create new partnerships in unexpected ways. And when I sit here and barbecue, then of course I'm thinking about those things and what to do as next things. And it's also counted as work, even though it's not put on the paper that I have been now 8 hours in the office. We spend half an hour at the barbecue preparing, and this is half an hour of contribution. So that is actually counted, and at the end of the working day, we should also have energy. So we have to think about that we should also relax and do things. And sometimes I actually do some guitar playing during daytime when I have a break, because I need a break. And then I compensate by working in the weekend. When we apply for projects and things, then you need to work in the weekend, because the final weekend before deadline is always a lot of writing, even though we have started early to write. So it happens. But in such way we can have balance when compensating during working hours for things we did in the weekend. And if we do this in a good way, then we have a sustainable working mode, and then we will be lasting longer to do our research over many years instead of being exhausted at some point after a few years. So think about this and do more things like barbecuing. And this is super lovely to do in the Swedish nature.